You know what you mean to get an instrument. Oh, thank you so much, Candy.
Oh, you got it, little duck.
Thank you, TJ Candace. Great job, Candy. You know what? That felt just as good as the harmonica. And I still have one pinky to start my shaving.
Okay, now since every cat has a new instrument,
Sit down,
let's
sit down.
jam.
I'm trimming your hair. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, sit down. Sit down there. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Just little bit more, little bit more. Sit down, sit down.
You ready for another surprise?
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Brush your teeth, okay?
Hey, it's DJ Cat in the house. Welcome to the music room. I've been expecting you. You're in the right place. I'm gonna shaking the room. I'll get the party.
Your brother's sleeping.
I gotta show you what happens when I give it a push. Here's a cat.
Just look, oh, look in the camera. Just look at me. Look, oh, you're so beautiful, oh. What? Look, oh, so beautiful while crying.
Jump and dance with the music you use. You can have a room down the power your heart and hands. You can bend your
Wow, amazing.
just turn the music up loud. It's the only thing you do.
Mommy, look better now ang aking hair. Look, oh, your hair, oh. Needs to trim, oh. Look in the camera, oh. Look at your mother, mommy. I will send to mommy, oh, the video, okay? Okay? I'll send the video to mommy, okay? Wow.
DJ Candace. Thanks for helping us earn all those kitty points.
Mamaya na ulit.
See you next time.
Wow. Look at your hair now. Look at your hair now, mommy. Look. Look, mommy. Oh, look. Look, mommy. Look. Oh. Amazing. Oh. Si daddy lang nagupit niyan, ha? My baby. Sit down there, sit down. Look, I will put it there, oh, in the cabinet.